SakaFet. I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a delicious Caribbean style banana bread. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. Like, share and subscribe. Now let's get cooking. These are all the ingredients that we are going to need for our banana bread. 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon each of cinnamon, nutmeg and allspice, 1/2 cup of coconut, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1 cup of raisins or cranberries, and then we soak it in rum, in dark rum, for at least half an hour. 3/4 of a cup of cooking oil, 2 ripe bananas, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We are now going to mix our wet ingredients. We're cracking our eggs in a bowl. In another bowl, we're going to pour our cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we are going to add our eggs to that. We're going to give that a good whip in there. Stir it up. And now we have our bananas. You want to crush. Kind of get them really soft here. You're going to add that to your egg mixture and just give it a good stir. Once that's done, we're going to let it sit for a minute and start on our dry ingredients. Now going to mix all our dry ingredients in mixer here. So we just pour that in, flour first, then we're going to add our sugar to that. Which is our cinnamon, nutmeg and allspice, baking soda, our baking powder, and now coconut, shredded coconut. We are now going to blend all of our dry ingredients together. So you blend that until it's all mixed really well. And now we are going to add our wet ingredients to the mixture. And we're gonna mix. You don't want to overmix, you just want to get it all incorporated. So about I would say just maybe 2 minutes max until it's nicely blended. Now we're going to add our raisins. Raisins are juicy, they're plumped up from absorbing all that rich dark rum, and that's the real Caribbean rum. I like Monge rum, it's my favorite. So we just pour it in And now we are going to mix it all in. So just mix it. Now we just add our nuts. Just blend it there a little bit. We're going to turn the oven on 350 and let it get heated up. We're now going to butter the pan. So you just want to get some butter and just make sure you get it all inside the corners. You can also use a cooking spray. Gonna get this off and we're going to pour this into our pan. For the oven. Just place it in the oven for 1 hour. Okay, our banana bread is ready, so we take it out. Oh, that looks delicious. Okay, so now we are just going to brush it with some of that dark Mount Gay rum, and that's going to give it a nice flavor. So you just brush it on while it's hot. And that's going to soak into it. And that's it. Thanks for joining us today, and see you next time for more delicious recipes.